Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your YouTube channel or your YouTube account profile picture. To do that, simple go ahead and open up your browser, of course, guys, and you want to head over to youtube.com. Now, once you're on youtube.com, go ahead and click your account on the upper right hand side. And from here, you want to go ahead and click where it says view your channel. Now, once you click on view your channel, you'll be taken over to your channel and you will see that it shows your account, and here you'll have the option right below the name details here where it says customize channel. Click on that. This is going to open up a new window where it's going to take you, let's say, into your YouTube studio and allow you to change your picture, right? So this is one way. You can upload a picture right here if you don't have one, and if you have one, you can change it. Another approach to this is if you're on the home page of YouTube, just simply click your account on the upper right, then go to the YouTube studio, and once you're inside the YouTube studio, you will see on the left hand side where it says customize. You want to scroll down a bit and it's going to give you the option to say customize. You click on that and it's going to take you over to the same page as well. And from here, just simply click on upload, and I'm going to go ahead and just add a picture here. So I'm going to find something that I can use. So let's say I want to add this one here, and I'm going to click on done. So that's how you can add it. But let's say you already have something, you will have the option to change it afterwards. I'm going to publish this one right now and say that is the current one, and just click away from here for a moment to a different page, then click again customize. And so the next time when you want to do that, you will follow the steps, and here this time you have the option to change. You don't even have to remove it before. You just simply click on change and you can add whatever image you want. So let's say this time I want to add for example this one here. I'm going to click on it, then click and done, and it's going to change it for me. Once you're done, just simply click on publish, and that's how you can easily go ahead and publish that new picture on your YouTube profile. And that's pretty much all that you have to do. Very easy and very simple.